It's a her, it's not a him. The Oracle, the Great Book of Answers. This is a 9x50. Oh, hell no, close this back up. Look at that. You see the other end over there, people? Way the over there, pardon my French. This is, wow. I don't know what to say. So, what'd you buy this for? I wasn't here, so I don't know what you bought it for, but I'd like to hear your little...
Because it just looked interesting.
It just looked interesting.
And the story behind it.
What kind of little people slept up there on those bunk beds?
Then I seen this jewelry box.
Okay, jewelry box.
Then I think that is one back there.
Is that where the meth pipe was in that?
And then the big steering wheel looked interesting.
The steering wheel right there is worth a little bit of money. That's a little. It's a minimum $100.
Yeah, see?
I don't care what anybody says.
See, it's stuff. I see Stockton when I see it here.
Stockton Stuffers. Shout out to Super Generic. That'll be a word we use forever. Hashtag Stockton Stuffers. So, will this be a good unit? I think this is a great time to consult the Oracle.
No.
The Oracle is the Great Book of Answers. 5. You'll see.
5 phones in between that.
We want to know if this is going to be a good unit. Alex paid $350 for this 9x50. Will this be a good unit, Oracle? Please let us know so we can find out your true thing.
It's not that full though.
You'll need to take the initiative. So basically it says if you take the time and do it right, you'll make money. But if you just...
No, it doesn't say nothing else. Just take the initiative. Just do it.
Yeah, just do it.
Nothing to it but to do it.
It said Nike. Tape and drape. That sounds like Uncle Michael when he used to load furniture. Oh, look at that. Maybe 25.
Maybe 10. It's
Let's
a
set that
standard.
aside. Not necessarily for...
Yeah, but that was...
Here we have a dresser. Imagine that. Medication.
Not dressing.
There's $20 right here. If it's a CC, it's worth more. Is it a CC, ladies and gentlemen? No. Almost gold. Believe it or not, there are Giants fans out there. A heart. I used to have one of those. That's gold.
It's not gold, is it?
It says gold on it.
It says Tony.
It says right there.
I don't see nothing. 3
No.
dots.
Damn it. I was manifesting.
Oh, wait. It says
1/20th.
Speedo USA.
Yeah.
I think we went to...
Did we go to the top one?
No.
What is that?
No name.
Every watch has a name. Does it say watch? Yeah, that is. What's the cufflinks there?
Well,
Nothing. Nothing. No. Okay, fossil watch. Very inexpensive. Nothing. All right. Okay. Oh, pesos. We're going to Mexico.
They still use those?
We're just going to have to save them and then we'll go to Mexico. It's a good excuse to go to Mexico. That's a pocket watch or a lens. That's a wrestling medal. That's pretty cool. It's right here. It's kind of neat. That's a good item for the live auction. So is this. So is this. They have some neatness to them because they're 119 pounds. Almost gold. We have some almost gold. And we have nothing.
We're gonna need a knife right now.
I'll take the America one. America!
Frozen man. Change. You know what? Put this to the side.
We're gonna take everything out of the jewelry box eventually.
Ooh, real plastic.
That's genuine plastic. Look at that little dinosaur. It's like you. This one's like you, look. See? No?
iPhone 5C.
Hi, Alex.
You manifest the iPhone 5.
Hi, Alex.
What does it manifest? Ooh.
Alex is not, he got a sense of humor today.
More change.
Yep. No good. Boom. We have a box of Yu-Gi-Oh cards. I have an interesting piece of artwork. Super generic. I think you sent me something like this recently, and I don't know, but you might want to purchase this for your collection. But this is very similar to the one you asked me about on Twitter.
Yeah. Hello. What? How's this going?
Hello? Is it me you're looking for?
Yeah, it's me. Thumbnail.
Thumbnail. Yeah, that's what you want as a thumbnail? Look at the cord on that thing. That's ridiculous. That's $30 right there, easily. Maybe more. What is that?
Tortoise.
Oh, okay. It's always fun watching the short guy try to grab the tall stuff off the top. I enjoy doing that. What does that say? What does that say on the top of that?
I love.
No, the plastic toe. Fragile, your life will end. Drop this. We should drop it. We should. Want me to do it and find out? No.
Yes.
Well, it won't be the same if we don't try it.
What the hell's the fragile shit in here?
That soccer ball.
Oh, this, he's tight.
Is that a gremlin?
Dibs. Dibs.
What are you gonna do with it?
I'm putting it in the house.
And you're starting a man cave?
Putting it right in my daughter's room.
That is tight.
That's probably a little money. Maybe I shouldn't.
Who signed it?
Picasso.
There are people that make those. They
When
can't be a lot of money.
Somebody send you pictures of the ones like this.
You just sent me. You sent me photo for them. I don't remember. What is that? Let's drink it right now.
Hell no.
You've had enough tequila this week. Oh, my friend invented one of these.
I was a little.
Watch.
Yeah, your headaches.
My friend invented that.
What is it?
It's an ear. Oh my god.
Why are you nervous?
I'm not. And nothing great in that box.
I don't know. I didn't dig through all the paper like that.
You got nervous all of a sudden, huh?
But yeah, there's a bunch of
See?
little things in there.
You got nervous with a rat.
Fragile. Sword with what you
Guard
got.
this with your life. Oh my god. For how long? That is the question. What is it? What is a monkey doing inappropriate things?
He's tight.
That's almost neat. Is it clay? It's clay made in China. It's not that cool.
What?
Halloween lights.
Guard that with your life?
Those rocks are good. All those rocks like that, that's a good lot right there. I know somebody who buy these. You know who buy these? Somebody has asked for rocks recently on the YouTube. Who'd you guess? That's a good rock too.
These are all good rocks.
Those are eggs. Is that a unicorn? I've been looking for a unicorn. I'm gonna take this. I got
Side by
dibs.
something on the bottom.
Well, we'll look it up. If not, I need this. You know why? Because I'm manifesting a unicorn. I'm sure you've heard that many times, though. No. Did I say Versace? Those are almost nice.
They're nice.
What size are they? Salvatore Ferragamo.
Ferragamo, that's good. Them are good shoes.
Those are good shoes.
eBay.
eBay. What size are they? What else do we have?
7.5.
That is not 7.5.
Ferragamo.
Is that Ferragamo? Oh, nice. I can see you wearing those.
On eBay.
Nice. Well, Michael, you need some new work gloves, buddy? Actually, these are eBay. You know why? They are they North Face?
No, it's not the North Face.
Oh, they're Gore-Tex. Gore-Tex is, oh, these are just as good though, maybe. Anything Gore-Tex is good.
Levis.
Are those Gore-Tex?
Never seen it in here though.
Wait a meth pipe.
Honestly, like Levis. Help you hang on.
They look like penguin gloves. Oh my god, it's the infamous green bag. What could it be? What could it be?
Another bag.
Another bag.
With the 1952 camera.
Oh my God, it is a negative $3 camera.
Negative $3.
You gotta factor in e-wasting.
And some purple lights.
Some purple lights. Those will look good for my Valentine's Day decorations. Think I'm kidding.
Alright.
That's good. This is a nice steering wheel. It's originally off a diesel truck. Right? Diesel truck? No? Alright. Maybe it's off a boat. I don't know. We'll see. I know it's not from a diesel truck. This right here is probably, if I had to speculate without looking it up, if I'm just sitting here thinking, this is a nice ship wheel, heavy brass, that's got to be $250 if I had to guess.
101.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Inside.
we have found a treasure map, basically. It's a map.
Inside of a ring box.
We're not quite where it is. It says an address on there possibly, but there is a map with a picture of a ring to locate where said, this could be the ring to rule all. I think that's what this is. This is the ring to rule all. Don't throw that away. We're going to need that.
All right.
That is a silver dollar. Silver. Uncirculated. Means it's mint. It says it's worth $4,974. Alex's first video. I'm fitting to be his first dislike.
Yeah.
Look at that. First dislike. How does it feel, Alex? You done that to me how many times? I'm just kidding. I would never dislike his video. Boom, look at that. Second dislike. Or second like. I beat all y'all. He was the first. I'm the second. Look at these fine mystical rocks. Ooh, look at this. I think this is unobtainium. Price. Ooh. It's a cockroach. That's amber right there, I think. That's a nice chunk of amber right there. Look at that. Do you know what amber is?
Mm-hmm. Absolutely nothing.
Absolutely nothing. Huh. Whoa. What it isn't good for. It's a nice humidor.
Oh. Cigars.
God, I'm good. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm good. You found anything good yet?
No.
No? Nothing in this tote?
Oh, look at that. A little engine for a boat.
Alex, you excited about your video tonight?
No.
No? Are you nervous?
Yeah.
Why?
Okay, move.
On. This guy is going to pull every single thing out until he gets that thing completely free. This is a shrimp cage. It's not a Wagner. It's a Lodge. No. Yeah.
Something KM.
It's only 15.
WKM. Made in Taiwan.
I don't know. Why don't you open it? Don't be scared. It's metal poles.
Thankful for many things in my life, but I just wanted to say a few things in particular. Number one, I'm really thankful for the storage auction pirate, Mike. He's been helping me out with making these videos, giving me great advice, but really promoting me on his videos. And maybe that's how you found out about our channel. I'm not sure, but what a heck of a guy to lend his support to me. Very great, very gracious, and I am very grateful. So thanks, Mike. And then also I want to say that I'm very thankful for my family. You know, they enable me to do this lifestyle, this hobby, and also to make these videos. So my wife's been inside preparing food, shopping today, doing stuff while I'm wrapping these videos up. I'm very blessed. But also I want to say thanks to you guys for watching the videos. Really, I've been getting some comments. I've been seeing more subscribers added to the channel, and that's so fun. Really, it's fun. It's invigorating. And I just want to tell you a quick story.
Up or down?
Oh, look at him. He's metal.
He chose down. He chose down. One of my favorite movies of all time. What is that from? Not that these have anything to do with it, but I always think of weird stuff. I like this.
For $1.
What's that gold watch right there? Let me see. No. No.
That's what I told him.
Made in China. An Avio.
Speaking.
Ooh. 100 watts. We're here just loading random stuff here. Just random stuff. Alex is offended because I'm not filming these quality items right here. Here we got some clothes, some stuff, some crap, some trash, wood, bag, blanket, pillow, doormat, empty box, shoe rack, clothes rack, plastic bag, hose reel, carpet, beanie, wire, domino, suckers, plastic for a table saw, empty water bottle, trash, tabletop, men on men, calendar, bed rail, plastic shelf. Okay, we got everything
He's
right here.
being funny now.
We got everything right here, Alex. We're good?
No, we're not good.
I'm just gonna get. I just got everything right here real quick. We just unboxed all
Beautiful
this.
swing right there.
Yeah, we haven't got to the sex swing yet. No, we're not trying that out, ladies and gentlemen. Born in September. Who's my calendar guy? No, that's not really my type.
That's mine.
That's that's not really your type either, probably. This is a weird calendar.
Why are we
It's
looking at
the
this?
same guy?
No, I think it's a different guy.
Things you find in a storage unit.
I like
Let's
these
get some.
boots,
Let's
see?
get some footage of your units so you
These
don't
good
get mad.
work
Those are
boots?
Columbia.
What does that mean?
It means they're good. Thought you were a shoe guy.
I don't know what size they are.
They're Columbia.
No shit, Sherlock. These will probably be comfortable and warm in the morning.
Of course, because they're Columbia.
Oh,
Shout out to Columbia.
Oh, Mikey.
You never know. Columbia might be listening. I could. What is in the trunk, ladies and gentlemen?
Brainstorm Studios.
I love trunks. Many of you know on my list of turn-ons
Ready?
is trunks. I was born ready. Ta-da! I think you could fit in there.
I could, but I'm not getting there. You know what'd be awesome?
Are you a pussy?
You know what'd be awesome? A vlog from the inside of this.
A what?
A vlog from the inside of this.
Go inside and vlog.
No, go ahead. You take your phone. Get in there.
Here we are. We're vlogging from the inside of the inside the trunk, and I am vlogging. Yeah, we're inside of Alex's $350 storage unit, and we're testing out what it's like to be inside of a trunk. This is what it feels like. Hey, Alex, how you doing up there, buddy?
How was it in there?
It was great. That's my first time ever vlogging from a trunk. Yep, see? Me inside of a trunk.
Nice truck.
All right. Boat ship wheel, diesel truck wheel, Model A Ford wheel. That's like $250 in my eyes. And of course, this was my prized possession right here because I've been looking for a unicorn for years. And this is the closest thing I've come to finding her. This will have to do for now. This is how you tarp a trailer down, ladies and gentlemen.
What's that?
This is how you tarp a trailer down. Look at this load. We are 36 feet by 15 feet tall. You know why? Because that's a Hemi. Quick recap of this 9 by 852 foot long unit. Yeah, y'all saw what we just got. This is what we're gonna go through still. It's a nice little corner cabinet. This is a good boat for a speedboat, a motor for it. Pine bookshelf. We got lots of uncharted territory here. We've got more wrought iron fencing. Maybe I'll keep that for next year's cemetery. P, we got you. Fish tanks. Alex, would you like to give any words on this lovely storage unit?
I'm nervous. You said my shit for premiere.
What are you nervous
That
for?
means I gotta be on there and message back.
You don't have to. I will take care of it for you. I'll follow my lead. I always say that. Hashtag take my hand. Hashtag follow my lead. I got you, buddy. I got you. Hey, why don't we consult the book and ask if the book if it's going to be all right?
No shit, it's gonna be alright.
You don't want to know what the book has to say? Alex doesn't like the book no more. He don't get to touch the oracle anymore.